So
trying to find an angle to film from here.
now
Yeah, no, there are some like
this is worn out carpet. Where someone put something across and they actually damaged the carpet.
There's damage to this carpet. This carpet's pretty old, so I think they're just trying to get one more use out of it.
That's what they're doing.
Seems like everybody that moves in here nowadays has pets, and if you're going to move a dog into an apartment, they may not put new carpet in for you because they know it's going to get ruined. Because especially an upstairs apartment, people just aren't going to take their pets out as often as they should.
Not in the wintertime when the steps are icy.
Yeah, so if you come to if you go to a lot of apartment complexes and they basically allow you to have a pet, they may not give you one of their best units as far as carpeting because they know it's going to get ruined. So a lot of apartment complexes, they'll keep some units that are, let's just say the carpet's a little more worn out because they save that for people with pets or people that have a lot of little kids because kids like to spill red drinks all over everything.
Sure do.
Then they like to, get the sidewalk chalk and their mom's mascara and everything they can and play on the carpet. So if you put, $1,500 worth of carpet in a place and it gets torn up and the people move out a month later, what have you gained?
Now look at it coming cleaned off.
Yeah, it's working.
I don't know if the video showed, but it was nasty.
Let me keep trying to change the angle a little bit. There's some dirty stuff right there. We'll see what happens in a second.
And if you notice, I haven't flipped the bonnet. I don't need to. It's working. And a lot of people are like, you should flip the bonnet off. I was like, how do you know? I know what's going on. I'm cleaning the carpet. So no, it's good.
Yes, we have lots of arguments and fights with people.
Well, people want to say they know something more than I do. It's like, whatever. I was the one that was at the job and seen the real turnout and stuff, so I think I know more. On my jobs, I do.
Yeah. All right.
Well, here's an area that's so worn out. I will flip the bonnet and go over this area one more time on the video. Then after that, we're done making a video of bonnet cleaning for today. We got to get going. We got a lot of work yet to do and in other places.
Yeah, we've got a man's work ahead of us this day.
Well, we didn't know we were working, so we stayed up last night and ordered pizza and, watched Netflix and all that stuff. And then we got a call today and we are working, which is great, but we didn't plan on it, so.
We got an early sunrise call.
Well, yeah, kind of.
Saying, oh, by the way, we have one we have to get done this morning. We got two that need to be done this morning before lunchtime.
Let me flip the bonnet real quick. And see this area right here? That may not ever come out, but I'll try.
No, that's all worn down.
It's worn. It's
there's gouges. That's a cigarette burn.
That's a big old burn of something.
Yeah, there's a piece of carpet's completely missing there. There's some cigarette burns in this carpet.
Okay.
These were dream tenants.
Oh yeah, this is the kind of people you want to move in one of your rental houses. I'm kidding. I'd want to come over and kill them if they're in my rental house.
While he's working on that, let me see, we got this hallway. It's just worn down. One of the reasons we chose the bonnet, this carpet instead of the extractor is because it fluffs the carpets up a little bit more aggressively. You can see the print where the bed was at, but a lot of times you end up where you have a darker half of the room, lighter half of the room because of where they had their furniture at. There's only so much you can do to try to blend that together. But all in all, it's going to be
I got the bonnet clip, so I'm going over the dirtiest areas twice. Just a little extra security to make sure I've done a good job, which I already know I did. But it don't hurt to be a little thorough if you're going to be the best, which is what we attempt to be on every job.
I'm going to have to turn the camera off and put it on the charger.
Well, finish this. I'll be done in a minute.
Well, if the video ends abruptly, that's what happened. The battery went dead on us.
One more thing.
You going to get the bonnet wet again?
Yeah, hang on. Come in here. Everyone always argues about does the dirt get trapped in the bonnet or get pushed around? Well,
it absorbs it.
It absorbs it. We've showed this before, but we'll show it again just for
Try to get a high angle here. Hopefully,
if I can get some pressure. There's enough arguers out there that want to debate the issue that we always like to see that brown water. That's dirty carpeting.
When you use an extractor,